Okay, as you can see, there's two 5-gallon cans. I've got two other 5-gallon cans. That gives me 20 gallons. Like I said earlier, 24 hours electricity. Got some chainsaw gas right there. Helmets. Helmets in case, have to go out in the weather and get hit by sticks and trees and stuff. Like we can see here, the quad runner. Things get real bad or someone gets injured. Got the spare air compressor. Okay, now I'm gonna open up the door. This is the northern facing door. The wind's almost coming straight at me. Like I said though, it may be a 5-mile-an-hour wind. Right now, even calmer than that. I'd say visibility's at least a quarter mile. A little better, not a half. Still isn't bigger than storms we've had previously, but it's kind of fun documenting it for YouTube. Maybe some of you people live south don't see snow. Maybe some of you people up north want to laugh at us because we think this is a big deal. Like I said, regular Missouri storm so far. Nothing too bad. Still have power, still have internet. So that's a 2-minute update for you. I'm going to try to come back with 2 minutes again. Do it several times. If weather gets worse, I'll do a quick update. Stay warm, YouTubers.